What does it mean to be a synergian? The pandemic started, the world halted.
But we, synergians, gives this virus a defiant, never waver, and give the world a push over. We are a team you could dream, running on full steam. They say it's a wrap, but we say never give up. The world is sad, we give everything we have to give you a smile, even once for a while. You call our heat, we deliver your need. We stream the ocean surface to give you a service. Be it a rough weather, we never say never. We spend our days at sea where no one could see. It could be lonely, but I guarantee there is always beauty, like this dolphin so free. We work, we eat, we sleep. Hard work runs in our heart so deep. We always go in band, complete all tasks at hand. Feel no energy, then we just drink coffee. We finish the day, then after we play. Celebrate, hooray! The oceans are what comes, the waves we ride. This is who we are. At your service, Synergy.